Hello, my name is Cody Gray, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Homogeneous and Positive Drive Belt Solutions for Ammeraal Beltech. Let's talk about our Soliflex belting range. Soliflex Full Bar, or FB, is exactly how it sounds. This belt design uses a drive lug that goes along the entire width of the belt to drive the belt with a 50mm pitch, or just under 2 inches. FB provides good hygienic properties in a positive drive belt. FB is a great option for replacing industry standard belts and is a common choice for replacing plastic modular conveyors because of the limited amount of components that are required to change in those conveyor designs. Soliflex Full Bar Mini, or FB Mini, is the smaller version of our FB drive lug technology with a 25.91mm pitch, or just around 1 inch. FB Mini is ideal for small pulley diameters, around 47.8mm, or just under 2 inch. This is another great option for replacing small transition conveyors or in designs where bigger pulley cannot be installed. For more information about these products, please contact your local Ammeraal Beltech sales representative or check us out on AmmeraalBeltech.com. Thank you.